learn how to post a job as an employer on the iRelaunch job board. This is after you've already registered and you're coming back to the job board to post a job. What you would do is you would go to login. So you'd log in as an employer and you'd enter your email, the email address that you use to set up your account, password, and then you click login. You come to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can do a whole bunch of different things. What we're going to do today is we're going to view and post jobs. So let's click on that and let's go add a job. So in this job posting, you can add a whole bunch of different information. So let's put the job title. We're going to do just a sample job post for iRelaunch. In the description, I'm going to actually go over to the Word doc where I have my job posting, and I'm going to copy the text over and paste it. Location, yes, I'd like to show it on the map. Address, salary, you can put it in if you'd like to. This is a fake salary. Annually. And then the options, you can automatically repost it at the end of the posting period. So I think I'm going to say yes for that so I don't have to go back on and repost it. I want the company to be visible and I'm going to assign it to somebody right now. I'm the only person in my team on the job board, so it's assigned to me. The application is going to be sent to me. I can also choose to put in a link to have the applicant go to the company's website if they'd like to have them apply on their website. Can embed a video if I'd like to. So this is embed code you would get from Vimeo, YouTube, any of the sites that would host your video. And then you can add some screening questions. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to add questions. You click that button. And we'll just start with one, but let's just ask them, what is your favorite cereal brand? I don't know why I'm so obsessed with cereal right now. Maybe because my kids are eating Lucky Charms like it's going out of business. So what is your favorite cereal brand? And I want it to be, so you can do a checkbox, which means you can choose a bunch of answers and they can check whichever ones they'd like to. You can choose a radio button, which is basically like a yes, no answer, or you can choose a text box. So there's 3 different formats for the questions. And so we're going to do the checkbox. So I want to list different cereals and have them say which one they like the best. And so you can choose which way you want it to orient on the page, whether it's horizontal or vertical. I'm going to go vertical. And am I going to require an answer? I'm not going to require an answer to the cereal question, but you could require answers for the application to go through. And then you choose the answers that they can select. The selectable answer is just like one of the multiple choice answers that you want to give for the question. So I'm going to do, and there's really no correct answer. If there was a correct answer where you would almost assign points based on whether they got it correct, you would say yes. But for me, there's no correct answer. I'm just interested to know their preferences. And so you can add the answer. And then I want to add another one. I mean, who doesn't love Cracklin' Oat Bran? That's an unsung hero in the cereal aisle for sure. Okay, so now I have three different options that they can select. Save. Obviously, your screening questions would be much more meaningful and serious and professional. So now I've got my profile set up. I've added my screening questions, and I can either save only or I can actually go ahead and post the job. So I'm going to save only for now. And if I want to go ahead and post it later, I would just click on it and I would go post the job. And it shows me that I have not purchased a package to be able to post this job. So you can definitely cancel out of this and it'll save the information, or you can go ahead and purchase a package and then you would choose a single job posting. You would choose the option that you want, and then you would proceed to checkout, and then you'd be able to post your job. And that's all there is.